I'm recording this video for Supplements Villa, as Supplements Villa is one of the best online dealing, means it is a store which deals in good supplements and it makes you away from fake mafia. So looking at the packing is still good compared to last time because it is raining, so it is okay, there is no issue. So
how is the package delivery overall? It looks very dry, and because the bubble wrap, it ensures that the damage, no damage to the product or the supplements inside the consignment.
yes, because Mr. Sumit Sharma has given us the trust that the package will be delivered as soon as possible and it will be safe without any harm.
So tell me, how many days did it take for this package to come from
So it
Haryana?
hardly took me just 3 days in during this lockdown, and I really can't believe that it got delivered so soon at this while due to the pandemic. But still, I got an assurity from Mr. Sumit Sharma that he will do from his end. And so coming at the packing is very nice. It is tough and it is not wet from any side. So I will go to unbox.
And also, if you see, all the weak points are covered by cello tape, where there is chances that the water would have enforced in. Now we are opening the box.
So Supplements Villa is one of
From
the
your-
best shops from where I'm trading.
From
since-
your men, you have to open from your end this set.
So I'm getting, this is my second order and I'm really very lucky that I found this online mega store which deals all over India with no charge. It is free of cost, and so there are many chances to get fake mafias will come in between, but with Supplement Villa you don't need to worry anything at all. So I can so I am showing you the shaker which I've got over here. It's of a very good
So
quality.
how much liter shaker is this?
This is something around, wow, this is very nice, man. So this is a very nice shaker. It cost around rupees 600, but Supplements Villa, as I'm the regular customer, Mr. Sumit Sharma has really been very grateful to me this time, and I'm sure that he will be grateful to me as long as I buy the products from him. So coming to my package, here it is. One Science ISO Gold. The packing is very nice. How do you like it?
It looks good. The box was well wrapped, and as well as the product, so that it ensures a double safety.
So here comes the One Science ISO Gold. So the manufacturer or the importer is Muscle House, and it is clearly written on the box that it is imported by Muscle House from Haryana, and the box quality is very good. So the flavor which I have ordered is cranberry pie, and coming about the specification of this product, it has 27 gram of protein, 5.3 gram glutamine and 6.4 gram BCAA. The total servings are 76 servings. Then after that,
So how much is one serving approximately?
so one serving is equal to 27 grams. There is fast absorption, lean muscle growth and fast muscle recovery in this product. So coming to the certifications, it is GMP certified, that is good manufacturing practices, and laboratory testing certified. Then coming to the nutritional facts, the energy is 105 cal. There is 0.3 fats, which is equal to no fat at all. Then after that, coming to the carbohydrate, there is 0.5% carbohydrate, of which 0.4 gram is only sugar. Then protein is 27 grams, salt is just 0.25 gram, and glutamine is 300 mg. Means you're getting so many things just in one box. And there are many
a
instructions.
full energy package, you mean to say?
So this is the complete package of a very means you will get everything in this product. So coming to the unboxing, now I'll break the seal, and yeah, I'll just.
So how do you know that this is original? So is there any?
So coming to, I will just scan the barcode and I will show.
Because the packages look the same almost. So how do you can verify that this is an OG product?
Yes. So I will just scan and you'll come to know whether it is original or it is fake, as there are many fake mafias in the town. So I'll just scan it now.
Show the screenshot, please. The what it shows on the device.
Yes, and so it has shown that it is Muscle House India. So this is a really genuine product given to me by Mr. Sumit Sharma from Supplements Villa. I thank Team Supplements Villa for doing the service very leniently. And so I have opened the seal.
So by the barcode, it reads you to the page, or how does it?
It opens the page directly, and when we open the pack, here it comes. Here there is a airtight seal which is written mentioned, sealed for your protection.
Yes.
The seal is very tight, and now I am opening it from an end. There is a very nice tutti frutti smell coming from within the box.
Yeah.
As you can see over here, there is a very fine powder inside, and the scoop is dug inside somewhere that I will remove afterwards.
Okay.
So really, I suggest everyone to buy from Supplements Villa. You can WhatsApp, call, or you can DM them. They are everywhere on all social media. You can contact Mr. Sumit Sharma. He won't get angry or anything, as I have spoken to him many a times. Even if you have any doubt or anything regarding any particular product, even if you need any explanation or query, he will always be there to solve your problems. And I wish that there will be many branches for Supplements Villa, as I will be very happy to take one of them. Supplements Villa, and I suggest everyone to buy genuine quality products from Supplements Villa and be away from fake mafia. Thank you so much.
चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन भी ज़रूर दबाएं।